Hi guys, this is a Challange lock from Janneo in Norway. It's a 6-pin Euro cylinder, originally a lead branded lock. Works very smoothly, especially for a Challange lock. It tends to be a bit gritty sometimes. I've opened this 2 or 3 times now. But never just single pin picking. I always have to finish it off with the rake. So we'll see how I get on this time. It'd be nice to just SPP the whole way through. I just get a bit stuck at the end. Okay, it's pin 6. A little bit of muffled feedback on this lock. It's just a feature of lead, I've realised. Had some of their locks before, and they're quite tricky. So this is inherently a tricky lock for me. And then whatever Janneo's done to it on top of that, feels like serrated pins. Have to go up and down the stack looking for the next binding pin. If I can get this open, we'll have a look at the pins inside. See what treasures there are within. Yeah, lots of little clicks and ticks, not much in the way of turns on the core, and probably no spool pins, anything like that. You never know though, my predictions are sketchy at best. I need to keep reminding myself this is 6 pins. I'm so used to picking 5-pin locks. Okay. This is where I get stuck. Caught in the big guns, maybe. Just go once more through all the pins before I cheat. Maybe at the front there. Yeah, that's about as far as I can get it with the hook, so let's try the W rake. It just finishes it off nicely, so yeah, good fun lock that. I'm going to have another go at that later, see if I can SPP it properly. Okay, let's get this thing apart and have a look at the pins and other bits and bobs in there. I've got the key for this, so I'm going to, just to be on the safe side, use the key. Okay, it looks like you've got chambers. I'll tell that one 3, 5 and 6 threaded. Look at the pins. bindy in the cylinders and chambers rather. Pop that one out. Pick. Okay, so it's all standard key pins. So the driver pins, a bit stiff and plug fire. It's a offset spool. A standard pin in chamber 2. It's a serrated pin, chamber 3. It's a, I think that's a standard. Sure where that spring's come out of. 3, I think. Another one of these kind of offset spools, pin 5, and then another one of these. I assume that's a commercial serrated pin. I don't know how you'd make that with just hand tools. Springs, I think they're all the same. I'll go ahead and mix them all up. They are a bit different actually. Sorry, Janneo. This lock might go back together slightly differently. So there you go. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. You can see those. Nice set of pins and yeah, good fun challenge lock. Thanks for watching all the way through, guys. I'll see you next time.